Subscribe to this channel.
The minister was responding to criticism about the ministry's response to the issue. We have details in this report.
Good morning, everyone. Let me state this clearly, that the reports that have been swirling around, that there are dozens of babies dying at KPH, is inaccurate.
Are you saying that these statements are not true, Minister?
Sometimes I wonder about your journalistic skills, Miss Goldie. Saying something is not accurate is not saying that it's not true.
Okay, sir. What would the accurate number be?
Well, based on the reports that I've been receiving over the last 2 months, 7 babies passed away, unfortunately, in July, 2 in August, 2 in September, and I believe 1 for October.
But, sir, that's a dozen babies.
I can count, Miss Goldie, I can count. But your media house is saying that there are dozens of babies passing away.
What is the present situation?
We have cauterized the situation and it's now under control.
So is the hospital understaffed, Minister?
No, we're not, Miss Goldie.
Is it true that you are seeking assistance from the Pan American Health Organization to look at infection and prevention measures?
That's correct.
So what is the ratio of nurses to babies at the moment?
1 prenatal nurse to 2 babies.
We have received reports that is presently 1 nurse to 7 or 8 babies. Is there any truth to this?
Well, as it relates to prenatal nurses, we could do it some more.
Which means the hospital is understaffed.
As it relates to nurses,
But, sir, but
look
earlier
here,
you said...
Miss Goldie, that's all the time I have today to deal with any more questions. Have a good day and thank you.
General, you know she's turned Christian now. She's no problem.
No problem. Real. Good. I'm glad. I like you, no problem.
Friend, in my winner public.
Youth. I mean, I like sloppy work in a brother. Oh, me if you give you a mission and you take the mission and get to some other man. What you dealing? Slimmas for the under the dirt in a brother. Instead of you walk on it, you know.
Boss, don't worry. I gotta fix things, man. I gotta fix things.
Fix things. And I like it, I go fix things. You have to fix things. Me not deal with loose and in a dog. You see, April? Slimmas might grow a conscience, like how she turned Christian now. And so she will call the name of the people them she used to work with or work for. You see it? Can't have that.
Don't worry. Me, I gotta deal with it personally.
Here what? Change your plan. It's them 2 you they work up. You deal with them. Low Slimmas for now. See? What about Stoneface?
Him look like him want to leave the game too, you know.
Keep your eye on him, yeah? And it is. You will have 2 new dopey by tomorrow morning, yeah? Send me clippings.
Oh, man.
Unless you want to take them place.
Hear the man heart. The beat like a drum. At least it a beat. For now.
Godmother.
Stone, me not tell you say enough to call me so again.
So when me for call you?
Me not have a name, Stone. I mean name you for call me by.
Now I feel that you know. Remember you coming like a godmother, you know, to me.
Stone, that name they represent the life when me done with. Me not like that name, the Stone. Me not like you again.
A 6-shot hidden in my body. Remember say everybody think me dead, you know. And you run go call the taxi and see to is that me go hospital. And my godmother.
Alright, you can call me Godmother.
That is it, man.
That is it. So where I let me about?
You recognize them youth, huh?
No, why?
Some new face when I see all about the black. Anyone of them look like you do me rush you?
You still live on that? Leave it alone, brother.
But godmother, two youth that try to take your life, you want me to leave it alone?
Stone them never take it. Me still there. Father God save me. Obviously me serve a purpose. That's why me give my life to God, Stone. Left it alone, man.
But godmother, in the Bible, you know, them say an eye for an eye.
It also say, bless them that curse you. Do not repay anyone with evil. I know how you feel, brother. But I know no vengeance in my heart, brother. A God must say.
Godmother, I don't feel the medicine. You know. But I respect your decision. Realize the spend of it is tomorrow now for going.
Me here.
The man like keep white. And realize they're not checking again.
Miss Melanie Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. How can I help you today?
I'm having a lot of trouble sleeping and a lot of headaches. I hear that you're the person with the healing hands, so we're here today.
I am. Welcome. I'm going to prepare your bed. Thank you. Let me give you a little room. Thank you. Here, in this culture, we say ho'oponopono. It means I love you, thank you, I am sorry, please forgive me, in no particular order. Please, sit. Bring your feet up to me. Thank you. Stretch. Relax. Breathe. Stay sitting. To move you. Very good. Thank you.
Daniel saw the stone rolling down. Daniel saw the stone rolling down. Daniel saw, how the cockafat me put the, how the kananga water there? Well, the couscous will have to do. Daniel saw the stone rolling down. Daniel saw the stone rolling down. Daniel saw this. Yeah. Wait, they plant them already, man. Denton, how it look like somebody take one so? Hey, that one they brave. Well, he shall serve us sauce. But if him try to sell it, it now left him hand. And if him try to yummy, can't pass in short. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone.
Pillow. Alright, relax all the way back. Very good. Take nice deep breaths. Hands on your heart chakra. Center of your chest. Very nice. Thank you. On a scale of 0 to 10, how are you feeling? 0 being really bad, 10 being amazing. 6, good. 6 is not bad. It's a medium. Neutral, but a little not. More than that, very good. Relax. Activating some points. They call this the pause gate. It's no longer open, it's closed. Let's fix that. Turn yourself over.
Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. How the cock am I gonna reach this here now? Me should I call Mildred, you know? Make she give me one soldier client. Well, it's not the size of the tree. It's how sharp the axe is. How would them say that when them used to cut down tree? Eh? How would them used to say? Timber! I can't watch you down! Watch you down! That is it. Yes. Yes. Bountiful. The Lord has blessed me. You could have. Well, me no mind that one day when them take. For me don't say what me say already. I mean, I'll take it back. Sorry for you, yeah? Daniel saw the stone rolling down. Mildred! Or a patch it on. Daniel saw the stone rolling down.
That are the worst thing anybody could have done in the Premier League.
Why? If one team not perform well, I have the right to switch.
No, you stick to your team till the end.
Well, Arsenal are my EPL side now, so deal with it.
How about this behavior that?
I don't care. And as a matter of fact, I'm not going to behavior that because my mother and my father, they've been Arsenal fans since forever. So when I watch Man U, I normally cheer on Arsenal. So technically, Arsenal have been side long time.
That don't make no sense, but if you say so.
Gunners for life.
I just say you really go. Let me tell you this.
Babe. Happy wife, happy life.
Babe, you not answer your father.
Nope.
Suppose I worry about you.
Where about me? That would be a deal.
Wait by that.
He's all about power. He just wants to demand that I come home.
Tiffany, you don't feel good about this now?
I do.
I do. I think you need to go home and talk to him.
You know what? I'm sick and tired of people telling me what to do with my life.
Babe, me no mean nothing. Me just concerned.
Well, me no want your concern. Me can take care of myself.
Women are complex creatures, I swear.
Carlene, give me a minute, please. I noticed you didn't ask me anything about the press conference today or how it went.
I've been out sick for a week. Have you asked me how I'm doing?
I just assumed that you had the regular flu that's going around, that's all.
And that meant you couldn't have asked.
I didn't know it was that serious, Carlene.
Is that all?
Is everything okay, Carlene?
No, everything is not okay.
What's wrong?
For the past 2 weeks, have you noticed anything? How I've been running to the bathroom? How pale I've looked? Or how emotional I've been getting?
Now that you mention it, I have noticed some changes. It's not me.
But I had to say it for you to acknowledge it.
Carlene, please tell me what's happening.
Babe. Babe, I'm really sorry. It's just that the man they really trigger me.
Alright, so apology accepted. And why you for that can't get along?
I just think politics really corrupt him, and him not stop putting my mother through some bullshit.
So babe, you want to talk about?
Not really. Just know that he created an account in me and my mother's name and put money through it without us knowing, and we were almost brought up on charges for it.
What? So him create account on the name, I don't know about it?
No, you see why me just tolerate him and not really excited for the run him?
Jano, your father do that? That's messed up.
Tell me something I don't know. If it wasn't for the lawyer that worked really hard to get us off, we would have been with him going through the whole court process right now.
So how the case will go?
Don't know, don't care. Right now, all I just care about is my school, my mother, and my man.
Yeah, easy, you know? So, you're not tired?
Tired? I want him for the summer, but last me until I come back December.
Babe, you must have white liver. But you never have no more condom, you know?
Don't worry about it, babe. I got you.
Are you pregnant?
Not anymore.
You lost it.
No, Marcus. I got rid of it.
And the pregnancy was mine?
No, Marcus. The angel Gabriel came down and touched me in my side.
And you made this decision without speaking to me about it, Carlene?
The decision was mine to make.
Wow. That was selfish.
I have no place in your life as a woman. It would be worse if I became a baby mother.
I would have taken care of you. Both of you.
And then what I would become? Another side chick living in an uptown apartment with married couples wondering who the child's father is. And then when that child goes to school, Marcus, and they ask who his or her father is, I would have to lie and say, oh, he's dead. Thanks, Marcus, but no thanks.
You know, you could have given the child to your boyfriend, and I still would have done my due diligence.
Marcus, you know, because of the love I had for you, I overlooked how much of an asshole you really are. But now that that love is gone, I see how much of a devil you are. I'll be taking the rest of the month off. I'll send you my doctor's certificate.
So now Smith no say you're following?
And me decide say I want him to know me I follow him.
Savage. No, the man I got busy. I watch you, I watch him. The plan was to...
The plan? I don't understand. You're a politician or you're a police. You can't tell me what the plan is. That is my job.
But now I'm going even more busy. I watch you, I watch him. Him now gonna get goody. Figure out Carlton's location.
You need him to figure out the location. You're focused on the wrong thing, brother. Right, I know Smith shaky. This bigger than him.
So who I go watch good enough? You?
Marcus, you know something in the Dolly House thing, right? When you send for me on a dog on leash thing, you understand? Tell me something. You want your brother get fined or you want him get dashed away?
But Savage, we have to find him, to dash him away.
No say nothing. All me go do is turn up the heat under the food. Make it cook a little quicker.
Savage. Don't hurt good enough.
Minister, if you don't want casualties, don't start a war.
Babe, you know what, you alone me can rely on. You really need to come out this time. I depend on you. Please. Let me check for you, man. You alone can do this thing. Alright? Work for daddy now. You know, God.
Gentlemen, this is the new location. The other security them don't know say wanna work for the company. We tell them say on there for your interview.
Overs, Chief.
Yeah man, we understand.
We have to do things different now. Because as I say, driver sell way out.
Me say all the man call with name when them hold him.
Yes man. He's a big man, I beg do a favor for me. If I never for that, would I get shut down?
I never trust that brother they still, you know.
That's a water under the bridge still. What I want you to understand is that when you depend on apps and anything go wrong, rest assured, me will deal with it.
Chief, you never say I heard, man. You know the thing, though.
We now sell out the organization. Lawyers. True.
Whispers, your assignment for this week is to watch an armed security guard down at home and set up a fruit stand for you so you control that. Camouflage. I want you take on the job what Shadow did at Havendale. Him did a watch an apartment at Havendale.
One go, Chief. Yeah, walk on with Shadow.
Shadow in a deep sleep. Big project.
Alright, don't say nothing.
This is just for the weekend for you doing a camouflage. When I do when you come back, you know say you take that back on. Cause I see this man jump off in the audience at some face. Where I think?
Chief, you know the thing going on. When them wanna get no energy, no man, a problem in any stage in catching up. You see me I say?
Like that for the Chief?
Yeah, you know. Remember, no make nobody see when I use no burner phone.
Copy.
Alright. Mike, you know how long me I try to get you? Anyway, the payment for some face, they not send it over yet. What you mean? Mike, I know so that's something you're working on, brother. Here, me not talk about this on the phone. Link me later.
Yeah, Petty, you might run your stores. Say to me about give a plant chips. If you say sell me a plant chips.
We can't believe you're serious, Tiffany.
And why wouldn't I be serious?
Him? Tiffany, would I understand if you say you just have a fling, but a full-blown relationship to the point you move out to your parents' house?
Cara, I like him, I really like him.
We not have nothing in common.
Are you and him there? What you know about what me and him have in common?
Name one thing.
Football.
Football? You're serious?
You see me, I love? Karim the first man me meet whenever just want jump down in my clothes. Him treat me like a person and not just one piece of meat.
Tiffany, this guy living at the ghetto. Him work at a restaurant.
Okay. I'm sure there's a point here somewhere.
And you tell me Sam used to be a gangster?
Yeah, but that time pass. Him change now. When I can't let go of a people pass.
You realize your father is a reputable politician, your mother is a successful entrepreneur, right?
Cara, all that drop in, you do a little bit too much now. I mean, you're my best friend and everything. I love you, yes. But that not give you the right to tell me who me can or cannot talk to. Right now, Carrie means more to me than that control freak of a father that I have.
So you are telling me, say, a guy where you meet online 6 months ago mean more to you than your father?
Seriously, Cara? You of all persons supposed to know how that the man they steer. You forget all of the shit when put me and my mother through? Me can't believe this. You know what? Me not ask you for like my man. May I tell you, or may I ask you, at least the least what you can do is respect it. Now stay in here, son.
Hello? Uncle Marcus? I'm okay. I know where Tiffany is. Okay.
Mr. Wallace? I'll be going out for the evening. I trust you'll be okay?
Oh, yes, I'll be fine. Thank you.
Great. It's good that your spirit is going at such a high frequency, Mr. Wallace.
Well, I'm feeling better. I mean, there's some pain. I can't quite twist my body, but I'm getting there.
The road to recovery is always an empowering one, Mr. Wallace, if we know how to use it.
I agree. Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Did Simone tell you why she brought me here?
No.
And you're not curious?
Mr. Wallace, Simone is my friend, and for some people, that might not mean much, but for me, it's sacred. I don't need to know much. I just need to help.
I can't tell you thanks enough.
That's okay. It's fine. But there's a different energy about you. It's not just the healing.
It's maybe because Simone been sending me more pictures of my son and some videos.
Yes, that's it. We have company.
Company?
Yes, Dr. Grant is here. I'll let her in.
Yes, sir. Nothing. There. Just to get ready for come go up, you know. Aye, business. Remember, say our business ready with. Well, it's a pick up, you know. May I try get one new umbrella cause the other one tear. And we still not get nobody from the shop, so basically me still in there. Yeah, auntie come down here the other day, you know. Remember, I tell you something, I'm gonna get an bracelet make. Sure, the two of them, and it's like, she don't look convinced to me.
She have a prayer, trust me.
Well, and the best me could I do. So, what was your hand?
Yeah, mommy. And I command faster than I think said the commands. You know, I suppose. I get like one of that 3 weeks we get together fully. You see me, I need it. And I do pressure it. You know? What answer that question? What you learn for dress, gunshot?
My mother was an army nurse. So, when she used to do home, she used to teach me how to dress it, how to clean it, and all of them something there. So, if you thank God for my mother.
Yo, it makes sense, because me there, I think, say the giant girl guys when you're at school and you know?
Nothing like that.
That's me. I'm leaving.
Okay, Kerry. Have fun.
I will.
Doctor?
Oh, you're leaving?
I am.
Good. I mean, take care.
Your face look fat though, you eat?
Yeah, man, I go and eat food. I country me there in a 5. I be a yam and bread roll and banana and sitting there, so. See me? Good, man. Don't worry. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Make sure, you know, long as you manage. See me?
Yeah. Later.
Yeah. Give me assistant. I have to go run your house. See me and leave it. You know, the nice streets. You know the code. You shout there for nothing, alright? Better yet, just call me in case I anything. You see me?
Alright.
Take care of yourself, you know, girl.
And you take care of yourself.
Alright, look a bit.
Where are you?
I came to check on my patient.
So you couldn't call?
Well, that's because I don't have your new number.
You couldn't get a report from Simone?
Carlton, I need to hear directly from my patient.
Well, me alright.
Same old Carlton was. Ungrateful. This is the second time that I'm coming to your rescue, and you treat me as if I'm nothing.
Well, for what it's worth, thanks, Maxine.
If only you meant that.
No, I mean it. You have your nasty, controlling, power-hungry ways, but you did save my life.
Twice.
Don't push it.
You ever wondered why fate brought us back together, Carlton?
What are you talking about, Maxine?
I mean, we went from lovers to mortal enemies
to what?
to me being your caretaker again.
Where you go with this, Maxine?
Carlton, think about it.
Maxine, I don't hope so you don't think say this.
I understand clearly, Carlton, and in all honesty, I really don't have any hopes for you and I. But if you're to be honest, I would have been there for you in your lowest time. And I think it won't hurt for you to be genuinely appreciative.
But me tell you thanks.
Well, that is not the thanks I want.
What kind of thanks you want? You can't forget that one day.
Carlton? Do you know the amount of abuse that I endured from your brother trying to save and protect you? Do you know how I've had to rearrange my life trying to treat you? Do you know how easy it would be for me to give up your location and put my career on top?
What you say, Maxine?
I'm saying anyone that turns in Carlton Wallace will get royal status from Marcus Wallace and be elevated in their status. I could turn you in, but I won't. Carlton, I'm not asking you for a relationship. I'm just asking for a little gratitude. Through a kiss. And you will kiss me.